Hello and welcome to another edition of MI How To. I'm your host Tony, and with us today is Mac Duke with ABB, here to talk to us about the importance of safety in product design. Welcome, Mac.
Hi, Tony. Thanks for having me.
Of course. So since we're just having a conversation, we don't require any PPE here today, but make sure that you always wear the proper PPE for whatever your job calls for. All right, Mac. So safety in design, what does that mean?
I'm glad you asked. At ABB, we believe the safest product is the one that is designed to operate reliably with minimum human interaction. Using products designed with safety in mind will improve your uptime and keep your employees safe.
Minimum human interaction. Why is that important?
Well, Tony, the less interaction an employee has with a product, whether in installation or removal or in maintenance, the fewer opportunity for injury.
Well, that makes sense. But how do we know if a product is designed with safety in mind?
There are several things to look for. First, you want a product designed and manufactured to run reliably for a long time so that you aren't having to interact with equipment to change or repair parts. This means selecting products that have the features to stand up to the environments they must perform in.
So we begin with selecting reliable products. What else should we look for?
The product should be easy and safe to install and remove. Dodge bearings and gear reducers are designed with shaft locking mechanisms to minimize time and risk spent on installation and removal.
Okay, so if the product is easy to install, that means it's safe?
There's more to consider.
Okay.
Next, the product must be easy to maintain or require little maintenance. Dodge bearings and gear reducers are designed with industry-leading sealing systems that not only protect against contaminants, but also protect employees and how simple they are to maintain when needed.
Are there any other ways to make maintenance safer?
The ability to monitor products remotely also makes them safer to maintain. The ABB Ability Smart Sensor lets you know when a product needs attention without requiring maintenance personnel to be near equipment, which may be in hot or in hard-to-reach locations. Sensor technology is just another way that ABB is working to keep equipment running longer and safer.
Well, Mac, thank you so much for coming in today and talking with us about the features to look for to make sure our products are designed with safety in mind.
Thanks for having me, Tony. Safety is so important to us because we want to make sure you leave work in the same condition you arrived. With this in mind, we strive to make our products safe to install, maintain, and operate.
Well, that was Mac Duke, ladies and gentlemen, from ABB. For any questions about Dodge products, contact your nearest Motion Industries representative. And for more MI How To videos with your host, Tony, go to mihowto.com. Thank you for watching.